What if a handful of wind, a flame, and a stone could carry your prayers farther than words ever could? A group of pilgrims journeyed to Yala Mountain in Suo County, a sacred place, to hang prayer flags and offer smoke for blessings. They carried prayer flags and lunch on their backs. Along the trail, Tibetan women wore traditional headpieces, and the mountains echoed with children's songs and laughter. At the top, they built stone homes, sacred cairns believed to shelter wandering spirits. Each rock placed represented a wish, a silent prayer for peace and well-being. Juniper branches were lit, releasing thick, fragrant smoke. Water was sprinkled 3 times, along with offerings of barley and tea, gestures of purification and gratitude to the gods above. Lungta paper flags were thrown into the wind, carrying the pilgrims' wishes into the sky. With each fluttering square, a blessing was sent to all beings. Before eating, they offered a few drops of tea and sampa to the sky, thanking nature. Then they shared butter tea, yogurt, and raw yak meat, simple but warm gifts from the mountain. After lunch, they hung the colorful flags that held their written wishes. As the flags fluttered, it seemed the wind was chanting the prayers, carrying them far and wide. Before leaving, they collected a bit of earth from the sacred site, a small blessing to carry home. Om Mani Padme Hum.
What would you write on your own prayer flag? Drop it in the comments.